Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to do Becketts Farm Roundabout in Kings Heath Test Center area from all different sides. So let's jump in without wasting any time. Coming from Test Center and using this dual carriageway and approaching to the roundabout, you can see this signboard, and if you're going to take 4th exit, you need to be in the right lane. Now we can see road marking. There are 3 lanes. Left lane is going to the left first exit and second exit. Both exit you will use left lane. Middle lane will go ahead 3rd exit, and right lane will go ahead 3rd exit and 4th exit as well. Now we can see there are 3 lanes in the roundabout. We are going right 4th exit. So we'll stay in the right lane. This is first exit. Watch your left mirror at this point. This is second exit. Now this lane can go ahead 3rd exit and continue to the right to take 4th exit. Now you can cancel signal. Now we are approaching from different side, but we will go right again taking 4th exit. So again we will use mirror signal and use right lane. Now after this one we can enter. Now there are 2 lanes. First exit, keep right lane. Then you can use either right lane or middle lane from here. If you are using right lane, this is last exit. We can change signal. You can stay in right lane, exit in right lane, build up your speed, check mirror signal, save, and you can come back to left lane. I will show you again. I will go back and I will show you how you can use middle lane and take this same exit. Again we will use right lane on the approach. We will stay in the right lane here, but from at this point we will go into the middle lane. You can cancel signal, stay in middle, join left lane here, mirror signal, and take exit. Now we are going right from this side. Again we will use right lane on the approach. From this side is little bit different. Mirror signal. I will wait for these 2 cars. Now I can enter. I will go to the right lane. This is the first exit. I will keep little bit slow here. It's sharp bend. I will keep right. This is second exit. Now I will go to the middle lane and then mirror signal and move to the left after 3rd, and then I will take this 4th exit. We are coming from Solihull side and we are going to take 3rd exit to the right. So mirror signal right, choose right lane. Now right lane here. Now we can see 3 lanes and second exit, so we will stay in the middle. We will not go to the right one, and then we can mirror signal left if it is safe. If it is not safe, you can stay in right lane and exit in the right lane, and then later on once you exit you can safely move back to normal driving position, which is left lane. So that's how you do this roundabout from all different sides when you're going right, taking 3rd or 4th exit. So it's very important to learn and practice on this roundabout before you go for test in Kings Heath Driving Test Center. If you struggle in any junction, any roundabout in Kings Heath area, Shirley area, South Yardley area, Garretts Green area, let me know in the comments and I will make sure to make video on that junction to help you understand and drive properly and safely. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.